In this video, we're going to go over the VMS Live Events by Publish/Update Live Event tab, Okay, so first things first, when you're going to make a live event, you want to enter a campaign name. So you enter your campaign name, then you want a video title, and then these are optional, but if you want tags in your video, I don't mean the tags where your keyword tags, I mean like SEO tags, hashtags. So what we do there is you put your first tag in, then you put a comma, no spaces, then hash, and so you can put your tags one after the other, make sure they're separated by a comma with no space, and then your description. And then what we do then is you click here, as you see there, I've already selected a Golf Simulator thumbnail, but you click here and you'll select a thumbnail. Once you click there, you can see a pop-up or a tooltip pop-up, and that tells you that the suggested thumbnail size is 1280 by 720, and you can use a file up to 2 megabytes in size, and you can use JPEG, GIF, BMP or PNG. So that's pretty straightforward. Then we've got the start schedule time. You need to put a start schedule time, and as you'll see, it says UTC time. So there, not everybody knows UTC time conversions, so what we've done is we've put in a handy little thing that will get the UTC time now. So if we click that, it'll then bring up the UTC time. So if we wanted to put that for tomorrow, then we could put that to 9. And if we wanted to put it at 9 AM UTC, we could do that. But by looking at that now, I now know that in the UK at the moment it's 1948. So UTC time, I can see by that is an hour behind me. So as long as you leave it in this format, you're good to go. You've got an optional end time for the live event. So if you want the live event to be published and then be, unpublished, you can put a end time in there. It's in UTC again. And you can select whether the event is public, private or unlisted. When you're first starting with it and you're messing about with it, I'd suggest you put it on unlisted while you're messing about. But that's totally down to you at the end of the day. If you've got an event and you want to change the thumbnail on it, then you can get the video ID. Now the video ID is the part after the YouTube URL that says watch equals. Everything after that equal sign is the ID. Like you can see there's a video ID. So if we wanted to change that video ID, we'd copy that, put it in there, change the thumbnail, and then click change thumbnail, and that'll go away and change the thumbnail. So we've got our campaign set up. We've got some save campaign here. Now I put the save campaign in we could save that campaign now and not publish it. But if I wanted to publish it, then I would literally go to publish event and it will auto save. So you don't need to worry about saving. Every campaign you publish will be saved. So that's how you publish an event. Let's say for now that you've got a past event and you wanted to update something on the event. So what we've done is we've added a campaign manager. So you click manage campaigns, then you click here and it will show you all the different past live events here. So you get a live event and you can click load, and that will load in the past data. So now we've got the past data loaded. You can click off there, and we could just change what we wanted to, and then once we're happy with whatever we've changed, or maybe wanted to add tags, then what we'd do is we could press put the video ID in of this event that we've done, because obviously we must have published one if we want to update it. You can't update an event that you haven't actually created. So you get the video ID of the event that you want to create, you put it in there, you load up your campaign, change whatever you want, and then you just click update event, and it is as simple as that. What you can also do here in the campaign manager, so let's say I saved that without publishing. So that's now saved as the name Niche One Demo. So if I go now and select Niche One Demo, let's have a look, where are we? Niche One Demo, click that. If I wanted to delete that now, what I could do is I could just click delete, and it will actually delete the campaign. And if you go down here, you can see that it's been deleted. So we can do that as well. Now let's say, for example, I wanted to load say I wanted to load this campaign up. I click load campaign, so it'll load the campaign ready. Now let's say I wanted to republish that campaign for some reason. Then literally all you've got to do is, you've loaded it up, you click republish event, and that will go and republish that exact event. So it's really that easy. We've gone over load campaign, we've gone over republish campaign, and we've gone over delete campaign. It's really, really easy to use. The only things we haven't done is clear campaign. Now clear campaign will clear this data. It'll clear the campaign data off the screen. It does not delete the campaign. So if we click clear campaign, that'll clear that campaign data. If we wanted to clear the thumbnail, because sometimes you want to use the same thumbnail on a different campaign, so if you want to clear the thumbnail, you can click clear thumbnail, and then that'll go away and it'll clear the thumbnail. And then I'll have to check that out. And then you've also got clear log. Looks like I might have found a little bug there on clear thumbnail. I'll fix that, don't worry. And then you've got clear log. So if you wanted to clear all this here, every time you load the software up, it loads up the previous logs, so you know what you've done and stuff. If you wanted to clear that, you can click clear log, and it will go and clear your log for you. So that is it. That is the publish/update live events tab. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have got any questions, you can come over to the tutorials tab, you can click support and put in a ticket. Either me or one of my staff will be only too happy to help. And thanks for watching.